Good morning, Nana. Today we'll continue the permutations and combination next exercise problems. Before they completed up to 8 problems. Continuation from the SAQs. Question number 9, first bit over. Then go to the second bit. Prove that 34C5 plus sigma of R equal to 0 to 4. 38 minus R C4 equal to 39C5. So that is the term star sigma means sum of the terms starting with 0 up to right up to 4 terms. So where R place, instead of R place you write first 0 and next goes to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to totally 5 terms. Totally 5 terms you have to write. So first same thing 34C5 same. Put R equal to 0 in the place of first term with R equal to 0. Sigma means summation of the terms. So R equal to 0, 38C4. R equal to 1, 37C4. R equal to 2, 36C4. R equal to 3, 35C4. R equal to 4, 34C4. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 4 means 5 terms we can write. So plus by adding first term 34C5, keep it as same. Now rearrange the terms. 34C5 in the last term, write first term. Rearranging 34C5, 34C4 plus 35C4 plus 36C4, 37C4, 38C4, 38C4 like this. So by using this formula, yesterday we learned that is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. N is same. R is decreased by one term by some consecutive numbers, with then it becomes to N plus 1 CR. Same thing 34C5 is there. 34C5 plus 34C4. So write as N equal to same. So 34. R and R minus 1 is R, one term will be lesser, then you write N plus 1. That is 34 plus 1 C. R means you write, take it as here R equal to 5. So that is becomes to 35C5. So in this way, first bracket rearranging, I am writing in the brackets, this becomes to 35C5. Then 35C4, next this as to this term 35C4 plus same thing as to same. Again rearranging the terms 35C5 plus 35C4 by using NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. So that becomes to 36C5. Again 36C4 same, 37C4 same, 38C4 same. Again I am rearranging the bracket common to first two terms, that becomes to 37C5. Why? Because NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. So that is 37C5. 37C5 plus 37C4 plus 38C4. So next 37C4 C5 plus 37C4 same thing, NCR plus NCR minus 1 formula N plus 1 CR. That is 38C5 plus 38C4. Then it similarly becomes to 39C5. That is in the question it is given 39. To prove that 39C5. Only this problem becomes to be based on the only this formula. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Rth term and next continuation term, lesser term, one decreasing term, N equal to same, then you write N plus 1 C5. That is N plus 1 R, N plus 1 CR. In this formula, by using this formula, now rearranging and adding first and second terms in the form of this formula, like that you can get in the last 39C5. So this is the ninth bit second question. And go to, and yesterday I left over some problem is there. Question number 7, I think. This one. Show that n minus 3 CR plus 3 into n minus 3 CR minus 1 plus 3 into n minus 3 CR minus 2 plus n minus 3 CR minus 3 equal to prove NCR. So this is the question is given. This also based on the same before by this formula by NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Here n terms always should be in the same. In this way here n minus 3, n minus 3, n minus 3, n minus 3 in the question. Instead of n we have n minus 3. and next term decreasing term, rth term by decreasing by 1. So we have to rearranging the terms by this n minus this cr, okay, then n minus this cr minus 1, but here three terms are there. Just I am splitting 1 n minus 3 cr minus 1 plus 2 times of cr minus 3 and regrouping. This also 3 terms are there. This has to 2 terms and take it as 1 term again. And remaining 1 term remains, 2 terms is over here, this term. 1 term plus this last term should be applied. So rearranging the terms of first term is same as it is. 3 times of n minus 3 cr minus 1 I am writing first taken as n minus 3 one term only, n minus 3 cr minus 1 plus remaining two terms are there plus 2 times of n minus 3 cr minus totally becomes to 3 times of n minus 3 cr minus 1. Our convenient and we are splitting the terms. Here 3 terms of n minus 3 cr minus 2 means 2 times 2 times of n minus 3 cr minus 2. In this 2 as common, that's why writing n minus 3 cr minus 1 in this term of 1 and again this terms in the one term plus again n minus 3 cr minus 2. Two terms are over, remaining one term of n minus 3 cr minus 2 by adding this last term. So all are grouping by this has to 2 times single term and this has to, but in the form of ncr plus ncr minus 1, where n is there we have n minus 3, r is the same, r and r minus 1, then you write here n plus 1, that is n minus 3 plus 1, it becomes to n minus 2 cr plus 2 times of this also same ncr plus ncr minus 1 formula, where n equal to n minus 3 and here r minus 1 nothing but lesser decreasing by another term is r minus 2. So suppose to this formula, then you get n minus 3 plus 1, that becomes to n minus 2 and r in the place r minus 1 plus this also same. In the place of n we have n minus 3 decreasing by r minus 2, the decreasing term is r minus 3. Then this formula can be applied. Then we come to n minus 2 cr minus 2. Now splitting this as to two terms are there. So one term this is, second term this is. Again regrouping for first term and regrouping for last term. These two terms as to 2 times of n minus 2 cr minus 1, splitting this term and this term. Then 2 times we have to write. Then regrouping by first term with this 2 terms of one of the second term and another one of the second term with last term. Now becomes to this as to in the form of ncr plus ncr minus 1 equal to n plus 1 cr. That is why I am regrouping as by brackets. This has to becomes to n minus 1 cr. This as n minus 1 cr minus 1 again in the form of same formula. Then you get lastly ncr. So this is the question number 7. Now go to the question number 9. Nine over is 9. Yesterday first problem over, second problem over. Then go to the 10th question. If NPR equal to 5040 and NCR equal to 210, then find N and R. So the relation between NPR and NCR is always NPR by NPR equal to NCR into R factorial. That is NPR by NCR equal to, we can write R factorial. So therefore R factorial equal to NPR given that 5040 and 210 divide. Then you get this times is 0 0 cancel. Then you get 24 times. That is 24 nothing but 4 factorial. Then R equal to 4. In this r equal to 4, substitute in this relation or in this relation anywhere. So I am writing NPR equal to, in the first term NPR equal to 5040, then r equal to 4 you can substitute. NP4 equal to 504 into 2. 504 into 2 means 504 into 5040, 504 into 10. 504 taking LCM by choosing 9 into 56 into 2 into 10. So this is 56 can be written as 8 7 ja. Now we can get 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. So starting with 10, writing up to 4 terms, that is 10 9 8 7, then it is becomes to in 10 P4. So therefore comparing on both sides, then you get n equal to 10. Therefore n equal to 10 and r equal to 4 in the question as to given asked in the question, that the value for n is 10 and r equal to 4. The relation between NPR by NCR is how to write, that is R factorial. So the values are given, then divided by 5040 by 210, then you get 24. 24 nothing but 4 factorial. So the R equal to 4 and NPR equal to 5040. So that is 504 into 10. Then factorize the terms with 9 into 56. Just 10 is there now, and just I am taking with, if possible, I am checking by 9. Then you get 9 into 56. Why? Because continuation of the terms you have to write. So that is 9 into 56 into 10. So 9 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. 56 can be 8 7 ja. So 10 is there. 9 into 56. 9 into 56. 56 into 8 into 7. Then with product of the continuity numbers by starting with 10, writing up to 4 term. That is 10p4. Then you get n equal to 10 and r equal to 4. This is the question number 10. Then go to the most important question in the IP and any objective JEE means also. For show that 4n C2n by 2n Cn that equal to 1 into 3 into 5 so on 4n minus 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 so on 2n minus 1 whole square. So 4n in the half of the term divided by in this 2n half of the by 2n in the half means n. The division of these terms becomes to this value. So treat as a formula for JEE mains and apply the as it is procedure for IP. So by in the form of first numerator and denominator, the formula is NCR in the form. So n factorial by n minus r factorial to r factorial. In this form, we can substitute it by 4n C2n, that is in this form 4n factorial by 4n minus 2n. 4n minus 2n is 2n factorial. R factorial in the place r factorial you have 2n. So 2n factorial divided by 2n Cn also in the form of NCR. So 2 in the place of n you have 2n, r in the place of n is there. So substituted a 2n factorial by n factorial into n factorial. Now 4n factorial by 2n factorial whole square into this term goes to numerator n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. So starting with the 4n factorial means starting with 4n writing up to last term that is up to 1. That is a factorial meaning. So the terms will be starting with 4n writing up to getting 1. That is why we have written as 4n starting with 4n and the next decreasing term 4n minus 1, next decreasing term 4n minus 2 right up to continuation of the numbers with by end by 1. In similarly, denominator 2n factorial. 2n factorial means starting with 2n, decreasing product of the decreasing terms you have to write up to factorial meaning as per definition of factorial. Starting with here 2n is there, you write 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 so on up to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and whole square is it there. So whole square. This product total thing I keep it as same. Don't touch this one. In factorial whole square by 2 in fact keep it as same. Only for calculation by these two terms only. 4n factorial means what? Starting with 4n and decreasing the terms. Product of continuity consecutive decreasing terms, decreasing integers starting with 4n. So write as to 4n. 4n minus 1, next term 4n minus 2, 4n minus 3, so on up to 1. In similar way, 2n factorial means 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, so on up to last term whole square. These two terms keep it as same. Don't use these terms as to same. Keep it as same. Now I am writing in this first numerator term of 4n factorial. I am splitting up to as even numbers and odd numbers. And in this denominator also 2n into 2n factorial I am taking numerator as to total even terms and separated by even terms and odd terms. So both are same, multiplication of both same, then you get this only. I am separating as even terms into odd terms. Then you get same thing only. So that is why I am taking first 4n is first term and 4n minus 2 as even term and 4n minus 2 is the even terms of this value. 6, 4, 2 as even terms and the remaining odd terms means 4n minus 1, 4n minus 3, 4n minus 5 like that 5, 3, 1 up to those. Similarly denominator also. So this term keep it as same. So then you go to the next page. That is in the first terms I am taking the two common. So in these previous terms, I am taking the 2 common. That is why in these 2 as common in the numerator, that is 2 into 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 3 into 2 into 1. I am taking just only in the numerator of the 4n of even terms. This term should be same, and similarly denominator even terms I am taking the as the terms of two multiples are there, so that is why I am taking the 2 as common. Generally calculation for this is no need to taking the terms as to common. This only even numbers. From these numbers, two n terms are there, so that is why 2 as common. 2 into 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 3, 2, 1. In similarly denominator 2 common, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n, so on like this, 3, 2, 1 whole square like this. So then you go to the next one. So how many terms in this? So 2 already, 2 to the 2 into 2 1. So in how many terms we have here? Totally terms are 2 into 2n 1 to 2n minus 1 like this. So totally terms are 2 to the power of 2n terms. Here we have how many terms means 2 to the power of n terms. N, 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, like this. How many terms you have? So as a terms of 2 n times, that is 2 to the power of n. Then here write as 2 whole square here. So the 2 to the power of n factorial, this the total value becomes to, this total value becomes to n factorial, and this total value becomes to, this total value becomes to 2n factorial as per definition of factorial. So this is a 2n factorial, and the same thing has to keep it as same. Don't need to change this. From this 2 to the power of 2n into this total terms, we can write as 2n factorial. Here how many terms are there means write as 2 power n and n factorial whole square. So this has to also, so no need to write, I think. Square in the square of total part is there. So here write 2 whole square. This has to write whole square. So that is 2 power n terms are there. This can be written as n factorial as whole square, same. In this same, don't touch these two terms. So that is why we have 2n factorial here. This is n factorial, but here 2 power n whole square means 2 power 2n. This n factorial means n factorial whole square. Then you get 2n factorial here. He will will be going to go cancel, get cancel, and n factorial whole square get cancel. 2 power 2n will be get cancelled. Then you get the odd terms, that is 4n minus 1 of 531 by 2n minus 1 into 531 whole square. This is a very important question. Then hence proved. You practice well again. So many times in the IP question, key frequently asked question is this in this exercise. So practice more, Nana. Then go to the question number 12. A teacher wants to take 10 students to a park. He can take exactly 3 students at a time and will not take the same group of 3 students more than once. Find the number of times. First question, each student can go to the park. The teacher can go to the park. So first question it is given. Total number of students are here 10. The teacher wants to take the 3 students at a time. So and will not take the same group of 3 students more than once. So that is the condition to be applied. So we have select as a 3 people, but they then should not, the teacher should not take the same group of people of 3 students more than once. So therefore the first question is asking each student can go to the park. That means to that each student can go to the park means, so we have to select 2 more persons from the remaining 9 students. Out of 10 students are there. If one person is selected, then more than once we have to get, there is no chance to take the another time. So remaining that person should be kept as same. Remaining from 2 persons, select 2 persons. From the remaining, that person will be over. Then choice to go. Already he went. So out of remaining 9 students, you have to select in the group of 3 people. The person should be another, we have to take, and it will be repeated term. there is a chance in the question is will not take the same group of the 3% more than once. If it is CR selected, it will be more than one. So the condition is given now, so you should keep it as that person has to keep it as same. Then except that person, 2% will be there in the group of 2%. The remaining totally becomes to 9 students. In this can be done in 9C2 ways. That is the first question answer. And the 9C2 means we had to write the calculation. 9C2 becomes to 9 into 8 by 2 into 1. That is 2, 4. Then it comes to 36 ways you can go. And the second question, the number of times the teacher can go to the park. So out of 10 students, we have to select any 3 persons. That means number of times, if it is repeated or non-repeated another way. The question is given that the number of times the teacher can go to the park. So it should be taken as out of number of students, the group of people, he wants to take 3 students. That is why the number of different ways of selecting 3 students out of 10 only. Then it can be done in 10C3. So this can be 10C3 means we have to write 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Then you get 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 3 1. So that is 120 ways. This is the 120 ways answer. So this is the question number 12. Then go to the question number 13. Find the number of ways of selecting 7 members from the 10 people contingent of 10 soldiers. So number of ways of selecting 7 members from the contingent of the 10 soldiers. Contingent means group of people. That is the group of people out of the group has contained 10 soldiers. But we are selecting only 7 members in the contingent. So this can be done in how many ways? Out of 10 people, we are selecting 7 people. 7 soldiers means it can be done in 10C7. 10C7 in the nothing but we have to in the form of NCR equal to NCN minus R. But our calculation, this formula can be very easy to quick calculation. That is NC7 nothing but becomes to 10C 10 minus 7. That is 10C3. 10C3 nothing but 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. In the 10P3 means so product of the continuation of 3 terms. But here by R factor will become. So product of the first n natural numbers decreasing by 10, writing up to 3 terms divided by first 3 R set of 3 natural numbers. That is, it is in the place of R we have 3 means 3 into 2 into 1 then becomes to 120 ways. This is the number of ways of selecting 7 soldiers out of 10 people are then it can be done in 10C7 ways, that is 10C3. Why? Because NCR equal to NCN minus R. So also you can get, but in the lengthy calculation, now this formula can be applied, then you get the quick calculation, that is 10C3, that you get 120 ways. This is the number of question number 13. Then go to the question number 14. So find the number of ways of selecting a committee of 6 members out of 10 members, always including a specified member. So the committee is there. In that committee, is a condition is given. So always that persons include a specified person. Suppose you think as a VIP. Okay, that VIP person always includes the committee. That means you have to keep it as included means you have to any committee of people. How many members committee of people are there? 6 members. In these 6 members, that VIP should be always there. That should be always there means includes that member means you have how many numbers are you have left over. So out of 10 members, that VIP person means you have how many ways? In 9 ways. That person should be always includes. That means if a committee is selected of 6 members, that person should be there. So that means how many remaining students will be there? That person always be there na. So he has fixed number. Then we have totally 5 members. So up to 5 members only arranging by that person. Any committee will be formed, that person should be there. That can be done in. So therefore a specified member always including a committee means. So we have 5 members can be selected out of the remaining 9%. Why? Because 10 minus 1. So 10 people are there now, that person should be eliminated, included means it will be any committee should be formed means he has to 1 person will be there. So then we have total number of students, total number of person becomes to 9. In the committee, that should be a specified member always in the committee will be means. So we have to 5 members in the committee out of 6. The person should be there. So remaining 5 members. Totally one person kept as same means you have 9C5. So that is 10 minus 1 equal to 9 out of 5 members. That is can be done in 9C5 ways. Therefore, the number of ways of selecting a committee, that is 9C5, then you calculating you get 126 ways. So includes a committee means you have to think. Includes a committee means that person should be always in the committee of people. So committee of people, that's that person in the committee. In take it as another way also, that person will be there. In another way also, you can a person will be should be there. So that is why in the committee out of 6 people means you have one person will be left over. Always include that person. Total number of persons mean he also 10. 10 minus 1 nothing but that is 9. Out of 5 members, so this can be done in 9C5 ways. So this is the question number 14(1). Just you think, Nana, that's all. Find so 14 second one. Find the number of ways of selecting 5 books from a 9 different mathematics books such that a particular book is not included. A particular book is not included in the selection of selection means then we have keep it as outside of the, so leftover out of 9 books. So 9 books can be that book that book will be separated means you have totally how many books, then you have from 9 books you have from 9 mathematics books. This in these 9 mathematics different books such that a particular book is not included. Suppose out of 9 books, one book is not included means keep it as away. Keep it away. Then you have 8 books. In these 8 books, you have to select 5 books only. So therefore, the number of ways of selecting 5 books out of 8 is denoted by 8C5. 8C5 nothing but 56. Just to imagine, think Nana, don't imagine. But what is the question is giving? Number of ways of selecting 5 books from the 9 different mathematics books such that a particular book is not in out 9 different mathematics books. A particular book is not included means you kept as to keep away from the 9 books. Then you have 8 books only. Out of 8 books, you can select number of selections is asking 5 books. Out of in these 8 books, you have to select only 5 books. So this can be done in 8C5 ways. That value is 56. That's all. Then question number 14 to then go to the question number 15. In a class, there are 30 students. If each person plays a chess game with each of the other students, then find the number of chess games played by them. If he wants to play chess games, total number of persons are 30. Chess game means suppose A and B are there. So another way are B and A will. So it is also one way. And suppose CD are there and DC are there. Like this, how many people you have to select each other to play the game means 2 persons should be one. Selected from out of 30 students. Therefore, the number of ways of chess games played by them is 30. Out of 30, you are selecting any 2 persons. So that can be done in 30C2. This is 435 ways. This is the question number 15th question. That is just think, Nana. That's all. After 30%, the game to be played by chess game. Chess game means you select out of 30 people, you have to select 2 persons. If it is ARB or BRA, like that, anyway, in that number of ways are becomes to number of ways chess game by played by them is in the ways in the selection of out of 30. You can select 2 persons out of 30 means 30C2. That is 435 ways. Question number 16. Find the number of ways of selecting 4 boys and 3 girls from a group of 8 boys and 5 girls. So totally we have 8 boys. 8 boys are there. But in the 8 boys you have to select 4 boys. And 5 girls are there. You have to select, so that is 3 girls are there. So this can be done in 8 out of 8. You can select 4 boys. This can be done in out of 8. You can select 4 members means 8C4 ways. And the next one is out of 5 girls you can select 3 girls only means 5C3 ways. So altogether means always you should take multiplication. That's all. This is the question number 16 one. So that is 4 boys can be selected from the given 8 boys from the 8 boys, then it can be done in 8C4 ways, and 3 girls can be selected from the given 5 girls in 5C3 ways. So totally 8C4 means you can calculate it 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 4 twos 8 over 3 twos, that is becomes to 70. And this is 5C3 nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 by 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 will be again cancelled. So that is becomes to 10. So 70 into 10 means you get 700 ways. That's all. This is the question. From out of 8, you can select 4 boys in 8C4 ways. 5 girls, you have to select any 3 girls. This can be done in 5C3 ways. So 8C4 into 5C3, the calculation is 700 ways. In similar way, the numbers will be different. That's all. The question number same pattern. Find the number of ways of selecting 3 girls and 3 boys out of 7 girls and 6 boys. So the number of ways of selecting 3 girls and 3 boys from out of 7 girls out of 7 girls you have to select 3 girls. So this can be done in 7C3, and 6 boys to out of 6 boys you have to select 3 boys, that is 63. Here also you get 700 only. The calculation is same. This is the question number 16 and second one. Then go to the 17th question. Find the number of ways of selecting three vowels and 2 consonants from the letters of the word equation. So the word equation has how many vowels? You have to count. How many consonants are there? So A, Q, A, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels and remaining are 3 consonants. These are all vowels. These are all vowels. So 3 vowels can be selected from out of 5 vowels. That is 5C3 ways. 5 vowels are there. You have to select 3 vowels. This can be done in 5C3 ways. And the remaining 2 vowels are there. E and N. These 2 vowels can be done in 3 consonants. T are there, sorry. E, T, N are there. 3 consonants. But you have to, in the question is given that 2 consonants only we have to select. So out of 3 you can select by 2 consonants, that is in the form 3C2 ways. Therefore, the number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 5 consonants is 5C3 into 3C2. 5C3 nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 by 3 into 2 into 1. Then you get 10. 3C2 nothing but 3 into 2 by 2 into 1 nothing but 3. Total answer is 30 ways. This is the question number 17. So that is the equation word is given. From this equation you have to select 3 vowels and 2 consonants. First you have to count them by equation has 5 vowels and 3 consonants. So 5 vowels can be selected from 5 vowels. 3 vowels can be selected from 5 vowels in 5C3 ways. And the 2 consonants can be selected from 3 consonants. It can be done in 3C2 ways. So total altogether means you have to multiply. Work 1 and work 2 means the number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and consonants is 5C3 into 3C2, that is 10 into 3, that is 30 ways. This is the question number 17. Then go to the question number 18. Same pattern, Nana. Find the number of ways of selecting 4 English, 3 Telugu and 2 Hindi books out of 7 English, 6 Telugu and 5 Hindi books. So that is out of 7 English, 6 Telugu, 5 Hindi books. So out of 7 books you have to select only 4 books. So that can be done in 7C4 ways. And similarly, we can select 3 Telugu books out of 6 Telugu books. Out of 6, you have to select only 3. This can be done in 6C3 ways. This can be done in 6C3 ways. And similarly, 2 Hindi books, We have total 5 Hindu books. Out of 5, we are selecting only 2. This can be done in 5C2 ways. Therefore, the number of ways of selecting the selections are, so that is 7C4. Altogether means we can multiply. And 763 and 5C2. 7C4. 7 into 5 into 4 into 3 by 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you get 35. 63 nothing but 6, 5, 4 by 3, 2, 1. Then you get 20. 5C2 means 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. That is becomes to 10. The total answer is 7,000 ways. So out of 7 English books, you have to select 4. So that is 7C4. Out of 6, you have to select 3 books. That is 63. Out of 5 books, you have to select only 2 books. That is 5C2 ways. Total ways nothing but multiply. Altogether means work 1, work 2, work 3 multiplication. So that is you get 7,000. That is the question number 18. Then go to the question number 19. If there are n persons are sitting in a row, find the number of ways of selecting 2 persons out of them who are sitting adjacent to each other. Now I am taking some example. Now this for this our convenience I am taking some example. So there are how many? Suppose 3, 4 persons are there. First we have to take as example. 4 persons are in a row. Suppose first person, second person, third person, and this is the fourth person. So find the number of ways of selecting 2 persons out of them who are sitting adjacent to each other. Adjacent means suppose let us take it as P1 and P2 as one way. So that is adjacent means. And another way may be P2 and P3 is the another way. And another way is suppose let us take as a P3 and P4 is the another way. If it is P1 and P2 one way. And suppose let us take P2 and P3. Adjacent means P2 and P3 another one way. And let it be P3 and P4 is another way. The persons are 4. Then you get how many ways totally? 3 ways. If it is 5 persons are there. 5 persons are there. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Let us take the first way, another adjacent, second way, third way, fourth way. Totally you get 4 ways. If the 5 persons are there, you can get 4 ways. If it is 6 persons are there, you can get 5 ways. 6 persons are there in the row, you can get adjacent to each other means you get 5 ways. So in general, if it is number of n persons sitting in a row, in those 2 persons out of n persons sitting in a row who are sitting adjacent to each other is becomes to one number is lesser than 4 number means you get as 3. 5 persons will get as 4. If it is 6 persons you get as a 5 ways. In similarly, you get n persons you can take as n minus 1 ways you can get. This is the objective question. Simple logic, Nana. Just question you will be seeing by don't get afraid of this. If it is n persons sitting in a row, there is a how many ways to select 2 persons out of that means consecutive ways of selections only sitting adjacent to each other. So let it be P1 P2 by 4 persons, P2 P3 and P3 P4. This is 3 ways. In similar for 4 persons. If it is 5 persons are there, P1 P2 P2 P3 P3 P4 P4 P5. Thus totally becomes to 4 ways. If it is 6 persons, you get 5 ways. In this way, if it is n persons are there, then you get n minus 1. That's all. This is question number 19. Then go to the question number 20. In this also same thing. If 14 persons are seated at a round table, find the number of ways of selecting 2 persons who are seated adjacent to who are not seated adjacent to each other. In the previous method also we can you get an idea. 14 persons are there. Just I am giving a rough diagram. Suppose as red marked by persons you think. So that is 14 persons are there in the circular way. Number of ways of selecting 2 persons are not in the question is given. Not is given. So that is why I'm taking here. First I am selecting any two persons. Number of ways of selecting any two persons. If it is this or anyway, or this way, or this way, or this way, anyway. Two persons out of four persons is 14 C2 ways. Then you get 91 ways. Just I am here. In the question it is not given means just I am taking who are adjacent to each other. So who are adjacent to each other means I am taking in previous model type. Let it be this way, this way, this way. Or totally you can how many ways getting? If it is 14% are in the circular nana. In this in previous problem you can get n minus 1. But here it is in the form of a circle. Circle means n persons are there. You can get as n in the places which to sit in the place means adjacent to each other means you can get only 14 n ways. That is 14 ways you can get. Suppose you take 3 persons in the circular table. First P1, P2, P2, P3 and P3, P1. Then you get 3 ways. If it is 4 persons are there, you can get 4 ways. If it is 5 persons are there, by checking that simple logic. If it is 5%, you get 5 ways only. In similar way, 14 people are seated in the round table means you get as a adjacent to each other means you can get 14 ways. But in the question, the persons who are not seated adjacent to each other. So that is why I am taking total ways minus adjacent seatings of each other. That means 91 minus 14. Then you get who are not seated adjacent to each other. That is the way of writing this question also. VSAQ, this is the question number 20. Okay. So question number 21, next question. There are 8 railway stations along a railway line. In how many ways can a train he stopped at three of these stations such that no two of them are consecutive? So totally we have question read properly Nana, then you get an idea. There are 8 railway stations along a railway line. In how many ways can a train he stopped at 3 of these stations such that no two of them are consecutive? So totally number of stations are here. That is 8 stations. Let it be S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8. So let us say work number 1, that is W1, that is number of ways of selecting any 3 stations out of 8. So any 3 stations out of 8 stations can be selected. That is from out of station he can be halted or stopped anyway. Any 3 stations out of totally you can have 8 stations. This can be done in number of ways of selecting any 3 stations out of 8 is nothing but 8C3. These are all ways of halting stations, Nana. In this, the first part is over, but in the such that is given. Number of no two of them are consecutive means we have to do like this. First, we have to in this 8C3 we have all halting stops. Such that is given condition to be applied. No two of them are consecutive means you have to subtracting by 3 consecutive stations and 2 consecutive stations. Then you get no two of them are consecutive. That is why I am take it as W2, that is 3 consecutive stations. 3 consecutive stations, that should be 6. Why? Because you get 3 consecutive stations means S1, S2, S3 are there, S2, S3, S4, S3, S4, S5, S4, S5, S6, S5, S6, S7, S6, S7. Totally these are 3 consecutive stations mean you get 6 ways. That is why work number 1. Then you get second case, the 2 consecutive stations but gap by 1 station. That is why because such that no two of them are. That is why we have to 2 consecutive stations by but gap by 1 station. Then you get S1, S2, S3 are not adjacent. That is why it is not in the S3 alt. Already it is in this S1, S2, S3 it is there. That is why I am taking S1, S2, S4 and except S3 station. Why? Because not consecutive. Only 2 consecutive stations I am taking. Let it be S1, S2 maybe it's alt by S1, S2, S4, S1, S2, S5, S1, S2, S6, S1, S2, S7, S1, S2, S. These are all possible cases. But next equation, no, don't take the 3 consecutive. Only 2 consecutive station by 1 gap by 1 station. This is all 5 station. So not with by S1 and S4. Why? Because it should not be halted by consecutive station. That is why you have take it as S2, S3 with starting with S2 and S3 that you get S4 should not be take S4. That is you have S5. S2, S3, S6, S2, S3, S7, S2, S3, S8. This totally values are 4 ways. In similarly not with S2 and S3 and S4, S2 and S5, not with S2 and S5, then you get S2, S4, S3, S4, S1, S3, S4, S6, gap by one station. That is why don't take here S2, that is then get only for S1, S3, S4, S1 is one possible case. S3, S4, S6, S3, S4, S7, S3, S4, S8, these are all four ways. In similarly, S4, S5 means you get same in this way, four ways. S5, S6 also four ways. S5, S6, S1 four ways. But S7, S8 in this first method, this method. So you can get here five ways. So totally becomes to 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5 the 20 plus the 5 ways 10. That becomes to 30 and subs consecutive stations are 6. So therefore we have total ways nothing but the number of ways of train to be stopped at 3 out of 8 stations such that no two of them are consecutive means total ways minus consecutive 3 consecutive stations minus 2 consecutive stations but gap by 1 station. That is why then you get only two, no two of them are consecutive. That is why you get 8C3 minus this 6 ways minus total this values, then you get total value 30 ways and total no two of them are consecutive means 20 ways. This is the explanation part, but you have to write in the IP part method. Number of ways of selecting 3 stations out of 8 is 8C3. Number of ways of selecting 3 out of 8 stations such that 3 are consecutive, that is 6 ways. And this number of ways of selecting 3 out of 8 such that 2 of them are consecutive is 2 into 5 plus 5 into 4. You can already I given that values. So 10 plus 20, that is 30 ways. Therefore, total ways, number of ways train to be stopped at 3 out of 8 stations such that no two of them are consecutive means total minus 3 consecutive minus 2 not consecutive but gap by one station, that is totally get 20 ways. This is the questions, Nana. Okay, continuation tomorrow I will explain. Okay, Nana, thank you. Bye.